So it can never be in contrary to the laws of nature. Its teaching and doctrines can run with the ups and downs of every age. Its basic rules and fundamental doctrines cannot accept any change. Allah has perfected it and regarded it as the favorite religion forever, as He said, "Inna ad-deena indallahi al-Islam." Truly the recognized religion in the sight of Allah is Islam. We should not mind if science finds fault in Islam. In fact, science should not play any part to increase or decrease our iman. We should strongly believe that the truth of lies only in what Allah bless him and give him peace, have said. The Holy Quran says, وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ حَدِيثًا وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ قِيلًا. Who is more truthful in his word than Allah? وَآخِرُ دَعْوَانَا الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.